Welcome to Singapore Pavilion. Please feel free to check some of our retail items.
Hello friends, now I'm in front of Singapore Pavilion. So I'm going to inside. I will show you whatever the important things inside in the Singapore Pavilion. I will show you one by one. Please stay tuned.
Our items is a great story to tell, and I hope you enjoy visiting our Singapore Pavilion. We are on Sustainability District. We would like to, showcase the greenery, the natural beauty of Singapore. We don't have demo here. We only have our natural source of electricity, which we do have a solar panel. Same with the water.
This is a stamping place?
Yes.
Can you show me? Yup, please stamp it.
Stamping place, we also have our souvenir items from Singapore. Maybe you want to check too.
Okay, what are the items? Yup.
We do have a four special scented candle.
Okay.
We also have a sketchbook.
Okay.
We also have a notebook which is made by a 95-year-old guy, still working tailor in Singapore.
Wow.
We have the unique shape of our postcard, which is cone shape.
Okay.
We also have our pins. All the designs are icons of Singapore.
Okay.
We also have the iron-on patches. And I think that's all. We
Yeah.
also have our collector's items,
Okay.
which are the vase. We
Okay.
also have our Super Mama, which is our plate. And we also have a 100% silk scarf. By the way, my name is Marvin.
Yeah.
I am happy to assist you while you're visiting our pavilion.
Okay. Thank you so much for.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Most welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi, thank you for visiting Singapore Pavilion.
Hi.
How are you?
Yes, very good. Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks all.
Welcome.
Yep.